Hello my dear friends, this is Dr. Arunachalam here. Today we are going to see about immediate recovery for low back pain using some sort of positioning techniques and exercise techniques. Most of the low back pain will reduce on its own, so we call it as self-limiting disease. But certain low back pain which happens with some underlying pathology will not subside by rest. Rest is not proved to be a good relieving factor for low back pain through research. So during this COVID-19 time, when you're not able to approach a physiotherapist personally, what are all the invasive measures you can take to reduce your low back pain? That is what we are going to see today. First, we'll see what you should not do when you have a severe low back pain. First, you should not bend down and reach for objects down. Should not bend your knees towards your chest because both of them are forward bending posture. Instead, you can prefer lying on your tummy. Lying on your tummy will make your spine straight. This position we very rarely adopt in our day to day life, even sleeping posture. Most of us will adopt only on your back. Most of us do not prefer sleeping on the tummy. So you can adopt this posture. In case if you feel you have discomfort while lying down on this position, then you can modify this position. By lying down on your tummy, what you can achieve is pain which is present in your legs and other parts of your buttock can go to a specific area in the lumbar region, that is your low back region, and it gets centralized. The peripheral pains get centralized means that is a very good prognosis which clearly states that you are coming out of your low back pain. If you see, by merely lying down on your tummy, what you achieve is you are reducing the compression on the nerve roots by lying down on your tummy. This is going to relieve your pain significantly. Next, after positioning like this, you can do a prone press up, that is, you can go to a cobra posture. In yoga, you call it as Bhujangasana. You can hold on to this posture for 2 seconds and then do it repeatedly as long as you feel comfortable. When you have severe pain, this particular movement is difficult, so you can modify this into prone on elbows, where you are not going to use your hands to lift up, you're going to use only your elbows to lift you up. The magnitude of the movement is less here, so you can do this frequently in your day-to-day activity to reduce the pain. This will help you in centralizing your pain. In case if you are not able to do that, you can simply lie down on your tummy for a while, or after that, if you are comfortable, you can gradually come back to extension posture. The ultimate aim of a person is to go to spinal extension. You should be very aware of your pain. Do not force yourself too much into the pain. In case even in this posture, if your pain persists and aggravates, please go and meet a good physiotherapist or an orthopedician who is available nearby. By holding on to this posture, what you achieve is spinal extension, whereby the compressed intervertebral foramen will relax and the nerve compression will subside. How to get down from this posture? Normally my patients will find it very difficult to get down from this posture. I will advise them to scroll towards the end of the couch and put one leg down, and remember, you should always maintain the spinal extension curvature, and you have to stand back with the same curvature maintained, very importantly. In case if you are going to get up in an awkward posture, that is going to aggravate your pain further. Don't do this particular movement to get down from the bed, so all the benefits you gained because of the exercise will be lost. Glide onto the edge of the couch, put one leg down and maintain the extension and get up from that posture. So doing like this is highly contraindicated for discogenic low back pain, because forward bending of any sort is contraindicated. Getting up from lying down, you can do this standing extension, where you can place both hands by making a fist and pushing onto the lumbar spine where it is painful, and mimic this particular movement as if you are extending backwards. This we normally do when you are in a hectic work schedule, but concurrently don't do the forward bending along with this. So the ultimate aim of this exercise is to increase your lumbar curvature, which when maintained in normal posture will help your low back pain to the maximum. Next is patient who have this particular posture. I have seen many patients walking into my clinic lurching onto one side. they feel much comfortable walking like this, but this is going to affect their spine much more and the pain is going to aggravate subsequently. So what I advise is lean on to the wall using your pain free shoulder. If you have right side pain, lean onto the wall using your left shoulder, keeping both feet together and both feet away from the wall, and using your right hand gradually glide the pelvis towards the wall, and to and forth do it for 10 to 15 times repeatedly. This is going to mobilize your lumbar spine and going to normalize your movement. If people have severe pain one-sidedly, they have to do this particular movement before going into the phoenix posture, which I had explained to you already. Remember, the gliding what you're providing should be very smooth and should not go beyond certain pain limit. In case even after doing like this, if you have pain, please approach a physiotherapist. So how to recover from this posture? Put the leg closer to the wall, then gradually recover from that posture, keeping the hand in the same place, monitoring the pelvic movement so that it doesn't go back to the abnormal posture once again. There are some do's and don'ts apart from this which can help you. The important thing is don't sit without back support and always try to maintain an erect posture. Lie down on your tummy. If at all you're going to sit for a long time, use a small towel roll to emphasize the arch of the lumbar spine. In between your work, try to take breaks where you're going to do the spinal extension frequently so that you relieve your nerve from its compression. Don't bend forwards acutely to lift anything, irrespective of how much heavier it is. Just bend your knees and go down with your butt protruding, maintaining the spinal straight posture to lift the particular object. This will help you getting the recurrent pain during this episode. In case if the pain do not get centralized even after all these efforts, kindly approach a physiotherapist or an orthopedician. My dear friends, by do this, you can relieve from your low back pain which is of acute onset. Your treatment do not stop with this procedure. You need to strengthen your low back muscles, which I am coming up with in the next video. I wish you have a strong back and a healthy life ahead. Thank you so much.